This is the 2022 Thor Tellaro 20A. In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to use the air control systems for the house portion of the van. The air controls provide for house air conditioning to cool and propane heat to warm the van, beginning with being connected to shore power. To get to the air control panel, press the thermometer icon on the BM Pro. The screen will show the desired temperature in large numbers on the left-hand side of the screen. The actual temperature is in smaller font right above that. On the right-hand side of the screen is the air conditioner and fan-only options. To run the air conditioner, adjust the desired temperature to be lower than the current temperature by pressing the down arrow under the climate circle icon. Selecting the Cool Auto option on the right-hand side of the screen will provide you with 3 options on how to cool the van: Cool, Auto, and Fan. The Cool option will turn the air conditioner on. It will run until you manually turn it off by pressing the climate icon. The Cool Auto option will run the air conditioner until the desired temperature is reached and then will turn itself off. The Fan option brings air in from the outside without any additional cooling. By pressing the fan icon on the right-hand side, you can then choose a high or low speed for the fan. Turn the fan off by pressing the climate button on the left side of the screen. If you are boondocking, the process is the same except that you have to turn the generator on first to power the AC. To do this, press the lightning bolt icon on the left-hand side of the BM Pro panel. Turn the generator on by pressing the Start Generator button at the top of the screen. There is a notification in the upper right-hand corner of the screen that provides the status and hour meter. It takes a few seconds for the generator to start. You'll hear the generator start, then hear a beep. Once the beep sounds, the generator is ready to power the air conditioner. When you are done with the cooling system, be sure to turn the generator off by pressing the lightning bolt icon on the left-hand side of the BM Pro panel. Turn the generator off by pressing the Stop Generator button at the top of the screen. For heating the cabin, begin by opening the propane tank. This is done by pushing the red toggle switch under the propane sticker on the side of the van. It will illuminate when in the on position. Return to the inside of the van and press the round button on the Truma panel to activate. Turn the knob clockwise until the RV icon flashes. Press the button to secure your selection. The panel will indicate the cabin heater is off. Turn the dial to activate the thermostat. Keep turning until you reach the desired temperature and press the knob to secure the selection. The RV icon will then begin flashing. The top left corner of the Truma panel will show a flame icon. This indicates that the cabin heater is on. To adjust the fan setting for the heat, press the button on the Truma panel to activate. Turn the knob clockwise until the fan icon flashes. Press the button to secure your selection. Turn the dial to select either eco or high fan speed and press the button to secure your selection. The fan is quiet, so you may not hear it, but it is running. To turn the cabin heat off, press the round button on the Truma panel to activate. Turn the knob until the RV icon flashes. Press the button to secure your selection. Turn the dial counter clockwise until the panel reads off and press to secure the selection. There are 4 heating vents. 1 under the passenger seat in the cab portion of the van, 1 in the very back behind the bed on the driver's side of the van, 1 in the hallway between the bed and bathrooms, and 1 in the bathroom. When running the cabin heater, be sure to open the door to the bathroom so the heat can come out into the living space of the van. When you are done using the propane, be sure to close the tank by pressing the red toggle switch on the outside of the van so it is no longer illuminated. For more information about boondocking, watch the off-grid electrical video next. If you enjoyed this video or learned something new, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel for more videos on how to use the Thor Tellaro. Thanks for keeping it here at Mystic Wayfinders, where you can find your way when away from home.